Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. I have to confess, I'm not a makeup artist, but I do love my Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. I have just discovered the Great Lash Clear and Transparent Mascara, and I'm not sure I ever want to go back to anything else. I love that I won't have to ever get any colors, flecks of black mascara on my lids. I know it's a me problem, but maybe I'm not the only one. So I'm happy to have mascara that conditions my lashes and does double duty and defines my lashes. And I appreciate that it helps me to have a put together look, but it also gives me a natural eye makeup that I find that looks the best on me. It's also easy to put on, and I feel like the brush is just the perfect size and the shape that I personally like. So try it out for yourself. Great Lash by Maybelline, clear and transparent. I love it, I recommend it, and that's just my point of view.